Okay, so now this is our class. Okay, in this class, what is that? If we take right this class, I mean, variable as a final, right? See, Eclipse ID only saying that error because we can't inject right multiple markup, some final name cannot be resolved or is not a field, right? We can't using final, right? If the variable is final using setter injection, we can't inject it. This is the difference, right? This is the difference. Because of that, right, means if immutability behavior we can perform, we can't perform, right? If we want, if you want the dependency is immutable, use constructor only, right? If you want this dependency as immutable, right, final means non-changeable, string is a immutable. Why? Because the final non-changeable behavior is there, right? So if we want to perform, right, we have need what? Constructor injection only, right? Yes, that one only I'm explaining, right? If we remove that, then we can, the possibility is there, right? The possibility is there and we can inject it. But here what we will do now, we will take property tag. Property tag, inside that property tag, what is the data is there, name is there, right? Name is there. Now inside that, what we will do now, we can pass it. After then, what is that value is equal to just, I'm taking Ravi. Now after then, if we run that, then we can get the result, right? We can get the result Ravi. But if we make this as a what, final, then we if we run after, then if we run that, we will get the error. Our Eclipse only not allowing us, means, see, we are getting the error, right? Because that is the what, um, means we can't achieve using what, setter injection immutability behavior, means mutability. If we want to develop our class as a mutable, then we will use what, then we will use what, setter. If you want to develop our class as an immutable, then we will use what, constructor. Now I concluded it are not in which situation, which one is the best. Both are best, right? Based on the situation. There is no if the thing is there, means something is the early instantiation, something is the what, late instantiation, right? So another one more things, right? One more things, one question interviewer will ask, one more question will ask, right? So if string name is there, right, string name is there, like if string name is there, right, and method is there, right, setter method is there, and the same data we are passing as what, constructor also, right? Constructor also. So like demo 1, demo 1, right? Demo 1, now delete it. And what is that, I'm taking what, both string name, right? String name. Now this is the interview question, guys, please focus on that, right? Now name equal to name, right? So this is means we are in the only one property. What we are doing, we are setting the data using what, constructor also, and we are using the data as what, constructor also, right? So what result we will get if we pass that both things, right? Means we are passing that, like in the here, just I'm passing what, in the setter Kant, right? Kant, in the setter I'm passing what, Kant, and the constructor argument I'm passing what, in the constructor argument, what I'm passing that, name equal to name and the value is equal to value is equal to Ravi. Just I'm passing what, Ravi. Can anybody tell what result we will, means what output we will get it? Please use chat box and let me know that, guys. Please use chat box, because this is the interview question, and every interviewer will ask this question, right? Because I'm also asking, right? Because of that I'm saying that, right? Yes, Samar. Okay, infinite. Another more people is there. Please use the chat box and let me know that I want to know that. Ravikant. Another person. Just three people I got. Padma, Ravi. Another one is what? Kant only. Okay, Summer. Okay. Another one. Another person. Kant only. Another, anybody is left, please use the chat box and I want to know that. Okay, fine, guys. I will tell, right? Constructor is what? Constructor means at the time of both, Suraj. No. Okay, na? At the time of, right? And constructor injection means at the time of object creation, right? At the time of object creation, right? It will data will inject means the like what will happen means the object will create, right? Object will create and object will create, right? Object will create and what will happen? Suddenly object will create in that water. Our IOC container will place water, Rabi. Now the but method behavior is what? But what we are doing, the method is the lazy person, right? Method, this constructor will execute at the time of object creation only, right? Means whenever we will activate IOC container, right? Our IOC container will inject Rabi in this property. But after then again after then creating the object, after then initializing this means injecting this object means this name, right? Rabi means at the time of Rabi, here Rabi will become, right? Here Rabi will become. After then suddenly what will happen? We are performing what? Setter method also. Means after object creation, after then a data injection, right? Means constructor injection. Then what will happen? Property matlab means means setter injection will happen. Then what it will happen here? Kant will become means Rabi will override. Rabi will override as a Kant, right? Kant. So Ravi will override Kant. So we will get what? We can't get Ravi output. We get what result as what? Kant. So let's see that our expected output we are getting or not. See Kant, we are getting the name as what? Kant only. Why? Because method after all execution means instantiation, object creation, after object instantiation, and after then constructor, our IOC container will check. This is the container, matlab constructor injection. Yeah, constructor. Then the data will check, and at the time only what? Constructor will inject that Ravi. But after then what we are operation we are performing? We are performing what? Method, setter method also, right? So means if constructor and setter method injection, both injection is performing at the same property, always we will get what? Setter method injection means setter injection result, right? Not a constructor result. Constructor result when we will get at the time what? At the time of, if you want, then what you will do now? What you will do now? So you have to comment it, right? You have to comment it, right? You have to comment it. After then what you will do now? If you want, let's now we will in this time we will get what? Okay, why we are getting that, in that here also we have need to what? Remove this property because the property is not there. And see, now in this time we will get what? Ravi. See, Ravi, we will get it or not. But if you want, right? If you want what? If you want what? If you want the result what? Means Kant. If the method is there, setter injection is there, right? Then you will first what will happen? Property means what? Name, value. We will get the result as what? Kant only, because Ravi will override first the data. After then what it will become here? This Ravi will override in the property, not here. In the property, first Ravi will come here. Ravi will come, but if after then what? Container will inject, Kant will inject. Ravi will override. It will become Kant, right? So now, okay. Now this is the one difference, right? Another difference is I will show that, right? So that means what is that? If we are like I'm removing this one, right? I'm removing this one, right? If we injecting the data, using a string, right? So here what is that? Here what is that? constructor, we have to take this constructor tag, otherwise we will get error, right? If we remove the see, if we are removing the constructor, right? See what is, so it's saying that red mark and red, our Eclipse only is giving what, red mark, okay na, means if the setter injection is there, if in the bean setter injection is there, you have to must what, you have to must put the data, means inject the constructor, right? Inject the constructor, name equal to name equal to name, value equal to, just I'm taking what, Ravi, just I'm taking what, Ravi, otherwise our IOC container will not allow, right? Then we are getting the Ravi or not. But in the, but second one, but if we are injecting using what, setter injection, right? If we are using what, setter injection, if we are using what, setter injection, then in this case what, there is no mandatory here, that this tag is, property tag is not mandatory, right? If we not take any property, then what we will get, null result we will get, output in the output, what, see, there is no need, if we are not injecting, right? The means, if dependency is mandatory, see, if dependency is mandatory to inject it, then use what, constructor. If dependency is not mandatory, then use what, setter injection. Now got the point, in which situation we will use constructor, and in which situation we will use what, constructor or not, I concluded or not. Because if I not initially, if I'm not explain what is the setter injection, what is the constructor injection, after then I took to you people next level, p name space, c name space, we removed what, tag, and I shown that the what easiest way to write the code. After then I say, I explain what is the circular dependency. Now I explain what is the main difference between what, setter injection and a constructor injection, and in which situation we will use what, setter injection and constructor injection. Think about that, how much level I'm thinking about the subject, and I'm taking care you people. So why I'm doing this much hard work, right? I seen final variable, because setter injection summer, what is that, okay na, final value, value because setter injection. Final value we can't send, right? Final value we can't send, set the setter injection. So now Padma, is still any doubt is there? Padma, please unmute yourself. Is still
Yeah, now it is clear, Ravi.
clear na? So now, okay, so now all permutation
Hmm.
and combination I completed about what, setter injection and what, constructor injection, right? So let's move on to see the bean life cycle, right? So bean life cycle, what is the bean life cycle and why we are using the bean life cycle, right? So, and how many we can perform this, and bean life cycle also interviewer will ask, right? So now let's understand. So means, for example, bean life cycle, next level discussion is over what, any question till now, anybody is spring bean is a thread. Yes, yes. So now let's understand, right? So let's understand what next level discussion. Okay, what is that? We will understand what. First, let's understand what. Still some discussion is pending now in this. Okay, na. So let's understand first what is scope, bean scope. Okay, na. Bean scope. Then I will what. Then I will explain what, then I will explain bean life cycle. So first, because in this discussion we can able to complete it what, bean scope. So how many bean scope is there, right? So let's first understand how many bean scope is there. Bean scope. So first one is a singleton. Singleton. Second one is what, prototype. Third one is what, application. Fourth one is what, session. Fourth one is what, session. Fifth one is what, request. request, right? These what, these five type of, in I'm explaining about what this scope is about. What spring 5, spring 5 version, right? Spring 5 version onward, because some people global is scope, those are legacy, right? Spring people is remove those things, right? So now this four request scope is there, but between application, session and request, whenever we, I will explain in where, I will explain in which, I will explain in what, when I will explain Spring MVC, right? At the time I will explain these three what, these three scope. But whenever I will now I'm explaining what is singleton and prototype, because we are explaining the correlated things, right? So we are using that. Means singleton means what, thread safe. Just now you asked, right? I will show that thread safe being adjusting on being yeah, just one. Okay, don't worry, I will take care. Okay, so now singleton and prototype I will explain here, and when I will start Spring MVC, right? Spring MVC, at the time I will explain application, session and request, these three scopes. Okay now, so means what, singleton means singleton, this is the object, means this is our bean object, right? This is our bean object, this is our bean object. In any situation, right? In any situation, what is the meaning of singleton means in any situation, what, IOC container will create only one object for bean, right? For bean, that is what, singleton, that is the design pattern only, but the things is implemented in Spring also. But here I'm not taking, if I start singleton design pattern, it will take near about 3 to 4 days to explain the singleton. Just here know about that singleton, and one separate session I will take about the singleton, and there we will break the singleton, how we can break the singleton, and how we will develop a good singleton design pattern class, right? I will take the session, but here just know about that singleton means in any situation only one object, right? If multiple thread will work in the one object, it will give only one object, right? It will give what, only one object. Object, that is what singleton design means, singleton bean, right? Singleton bean. So let's see that means bean, this is the, how we can see that. Like for example, right? For example, we have what, we have this object, right? Demo only, right? We did everything by default. One more thing, in Spring interviewer will ask, by default our bean is singleton only, right? If we want to make as a what, if we want to make what, another, right? So what we will do now, we will take what, we will take another property, right? So just now I will show those things. Okay, so what we will do now, so if we want to now, what we will do now, here what we will do now, 1 minute, somebody is came, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, so for that what we will do now, here we will increase one more tag, right? But by default this bean is what, singleton only. So how we know that this is the singleton only or not? So in this case what we will do now, just here demo one is there, right? So what we will do now, demo one, we will take what, one demo one, again we will create another object, right? Another object only, right? Another means demo 2, we will take what, demo 2 means what we will do now, again here we will compare it, right? We will d1 equal to what, d1 equal to d2. So if it will return, means this is what, singleton, means if reference we will get true here, right? Means this is the singleton only, right? So let's see that. If we get the result, see true, we are getting what? True result, right? True result. So how we can, means by default, if interviewer will ask what our bean is, by default what, in which scope? Singleton scope. If we means, and we can, there is no use scope tag is there, right? Scope tag is there. In that, what we will do now, we will use what? Singleton scope, right? Singleton by default. Now again run it, again we will get what? Again we will get what? True only, because it's returning both means both reference, jo both reference is what? Pointing same object only, right? But if we want single object only, two time, right? Means prototype, I don't want in the both references, I want a different object. Means whenever we are developing in the real time project, right? At the time, if we want to different, no, I want both object different, right? So what we will do now, here we will pass it what? We will pass it what? Prototype. We will pass it what? Prototype, right? We will pass it what? Prototype. So if we want to, then see, just I pass in the scope, right? I passed in the scope what? Prototype only. So what we are getting the result, now run it. Now run. After running this, what we are getting the result, see, we will get false. See, false. Why? Because both object is different. If you want to see that both object reference, now system sys out, right? Guys, after 10 minutes this meeting will stop, again reconnect it, right? So now, just if you want, I will show that as a practically, whatever things I will implement, guys, I will show that practically also, right? Sys out. Now what we will now, d1 dot has code, right? D1 dot has code. D1 dot has code, right? D1 dot has code. Now second one is what? Second one is what? D2 dot has code. Has code. By seeing has code, we can understand, right? Ki both object is creating different, right? So means if the same object, it will point the same object, means what we will get the same has code. Now we are getting, because of prototype, we are getting what? Different. See, we are getting what? Different. See the 152, see the false means prototype we taken inside what? Inside what? Inside bean prototype, right? Prototype means the same bean our IOC container is creating different object, right? So what we are getting the result, see here, one hash code is different, another hash code is different. By seeing both hash code different, we can understand or not, in the prototype situation, our IOC container is creating same bean object different, right? So now if you make this one as a singleton, now let's see, then you will get what? Singleton. In the singleton, you will get both. You will get what? You will get both as a what? Same hash code. Here see different hash codes is there na? Now run it and you will see the, here true, it will become true. And see 90 032 0863, and see both hash code is same or not. In the singleton or in the singleton scope, what our IOC container will create same object of same bean, right? In the different reference also. But if we take as a bean scope as a what? Prototype, then what will happen? For both references, our IOC container will create different object, right? And three more, I said that, right? Whenever three more application and session and request, these things about, guys, you know, the when I will explain what MVC Spring MVC, at that time I will explain this one, okay? So now, got it the point? Till now you people got the point or not? Spring scope and all those things, anybody having till now doubt, let me ask, okay na? Let me ask, I will explain again. Yes, now fine na? Clear? Okay, Padma, that's need, right? Whatever things I'm explaining, just if the person is fine, okay. Even I shown the practically also, guys, right? Because whatever things I'm explaining, those things, you know, I'm showing the as a practical also, right? So now, so let's understand what bean life cycle, right? Today discussion is what? Last discussion is what? Bean life cycle only. After then we will bind up the session, right? After then we will what we will wind up the session, and tomorrow we will start what annotation driven. And if anybody need, tell them also, okay na, because tomorrow onward think about ki spring boot is started only, because all spring boot concept related to those annotation only. If you good in those annotation, then in the spring you people will play like anything, right? Spring boot. So some little bit differences is there, and in that spring boot, right, I will remove these things. Whenever I will remove these things, and I will tell in the spring we are writing these things, and see here, based on these things, only one annotation, based on only one annotation we are completing those things, right? So I designed the things for you people. I made that much easy, that much easy कि anybody can understand and anybody can build this career. See, subject learning is, beginning is always hard, right? But whoever having the knowledge on the subject, if the person is injecting anybody, right? So that much things is not. But when I was learner, at the time I faced so much issue and all those things, so much doubt. And so because of that, right, so somewhere I read, right, follower never know how hard creator is creating the path. So if I'm able to see, if I'm able to present front of you people the subject this much easiest way, think about that, how much time I'm expending with the subject. I'm expending the time too much with the subject. Because of that, I made the capability today. In the company also, I'm handling the near about 20 people. And after then, the different two companies are there. My friends' company are there. Whenever they have need, right, I'm helping there also. And as well as I'm helping you people also, right? So see, the respect is there in the society. But first improve your skills, right? Improve your skills. And in my point of view, talking with the some nastiest things about others, that is the too much worst things in the life, right? Means you are doing the wrong thing. If you are talking my friend is not good, my colleague is not good, what is use of that? He is good or bad for about ourselves only. Make yourself like that, the people will follow you. And but it's not meaning that the people become good only, right? Then the people will follow. It's not meaning that some everybody become bad person and the people will follow you and they also become bad only. This is the not life, okay? Life means some goal, something you have to become. And even if you want to become also, as well as whoever need, don't leave them also, make them also, they can also win in their life, right? So this is the, in my point of view, this is the life, okay na. See, I'm earning the money, but money is not giving happiness, okay na. After in the my life, whenever I'm helping you people and whenever I'm delivering this subject na, after then I'm feeling the very good ki, yeah, I did some good things about the people. So this is the life and all those things, okay na. You people also do the hard work, and whoever having the need, please help them, okay na. So okay, leave it those things, and let's understand what uh, uh, life cycle, okay na, spring bean life cycle. So let's understand what spring bean life cycle. This is the last discussion. After then we will wind up this session, and we will meet tomorrow with what annotation driven spring, right? Today I will complete it, I will complete XML based, right? uh, so because whatever things I will, whenever I will write in the what spring what spring annotation driven, then you people will catch up easily, you people will catch the things, right? Because of that I'm explaining XML configuration based. Otherwise XML configuration based, there is no use. But if internal things, if you know that, right, then the life, see, in interviewer, right, sometime I felt it, compared to you, who is taking the interview, they also don't have the knowledge. Just they are mugging the things from the internet and all those things. They are starting the things in the interview to start to ask, and what they are doing that. After then they are not selecting also, because of you have the good knowledge and they have what less knowledge. because I face those things also in my life, right? Interviewer, the interviewer is taking interview, and just because of in their question only there is not much clarity is there. So I'm saying that you are asking this kind of question, so then he's yes, yes, this one only. So after then I explained them, but still that person is not selected to me. So these things is so much stories is there in the life, right? I seen, in the 26 years, 27 years, I seen each and every aspect of life. Okay, now then I realized that being good is only good things. If bad, sometime for the sometimes it's good, but the long time happiness is not there in the life. So because of that I selected this path, and in the small age I think, compared to others, I'm a little bit good success only, right? So, okay. So within the 1 minute again, the meeting will stop. Okay. So what we will do now? We will connect again, and we will complete today what spring bean life cycle. After then we will bind up the session. Means I think only one video, means only one session, 40-minute session. We can complete it, right? So after 1 minute, just 1 minute is less than 1 minute is there. It will by default it will stop it. Okay, na? So, and don't worry about that. I'm always with you people. Whenever you have the need, right? I will help you if I am